So what do you do when your painting hand gets injured? That's what happened to me about a week ago. I was walking my dog outside and in the middle of a rainstorm. We were having tons of rain, just inundating our basement. It was flooding, and I was walking around the house, and this is what I saw here. On top of the roof, the water was just pouring off that gutter, just bypassing the gutter, and then it was flowing down, digging a hole into the foundation. And I tried to move that piece of sheet metal that you see right over there. Unfortunately, I was holding my dog here. Well, not holding my dog, but holding the dog's leash. He's an energetic Labradoodle, holding the leash, and then as I was trying to grab that sheet metal with my right hand, it sliced my thumb really bad. And so ended up walking to the house holding my hand like this because, you know, it was cut really deep, and just to keep the blood from coming out. And I told my wife, oh man, I think I have a pretty bad cut here. We ended up going to the hospital. She drove me to the hospital because I couldn't drive with that hand the way it was. And I ended up getting 6 stitches. 6 stitches, you can see that here. That was about a week ago, and I'm gonna be getting them removed in the next day or two. It's peeling really nice, but it was scary, I'll tell you what, because this is my painting hand. So when I was in the hospital, I was just praying and asking God to have mercy on me, because the doctor said, well, if it hit your tendon or hit your ligament, you might lose the ability to use that thumb. And that would have been really detrimental. That would have been sad. I mean, I don't know what I would have done. But God had mercy on me, and fortunately I can move it, and I will be getting the stitches removed. I thank God for that. Thank you all for your prayers. So many people wrote in with just words of encouragement. Really appreciate that. Yeah, I'm going to be using leather gloves from now on, and not handling metal with my bare hands. And it's just all to say that God is merciful, and I thank Him for just helping my thumb to heal, and for all the encouragement and the support from you. So God bless you, and look forward to continuing to paint. I can move my thumb. I've been able to paint just fine, gaining strength for other tasks. But anyway, thank you so much. God bless you. Just want to share that with you. Talk to you soon.